Yo, what is up? So we're gonna continue working on some pieces. I got a little bit more pieces after the stream yesterday, so we got a good bit of stuff now. Turn the music down a little bit. That's not bad, I guess. Junum, yo, what's up, Junum? What you got going on? What up, what up? We're getting on up there. Might go ahead and finish off what I was doing last night. Man, I've been fighting with the Soul series. I'm trying to build the damn save system in it right now, which is why I haven't posted in 2 days, but I'm trying to do it in a way I've never done it before. And there's like no information about it out there. Oh yeah, the modulars. I remember that I have to do mine. Are you good, bro? Everything good? Yeah, everything's good. I'm just aggravated with the damn save system I'm trying to set up. I've spent like 11 hours just like trial and error trying to get the save system to work in the Soul series, and it's just like I'm getting close. I'm getting close to it, but it's still not quite there. I got everything saving properly, but it's not loading properly. Damn, 11 hours? Yeah, between yesterday and today, it's up to at least 11 hours of just trying to get it figured out. Because the way I'm trying to do it is the way that it does in Elden Ring, where like you create a new character and it creates a new slot. So basically anytime you create a new character, it'll create like an infinite number of slots. And I got it doing that. I got it so that when you create characters, it creates the new slot. But I don't have it loading in properly and displaying like your slots and stuff properly yet. So that's kind of been banging my head against the wall on that. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. Casey, howdy, you'll get it? Yeah, it's tough. It's mainly hard because there is literally no information about setting it up that way. Like, the only information I have is to follow some things in a pack that I have. Like this pack right here, it has a save system that's kind of similar, but not exactly. But like, it's tough. It's tough trying to figure it out. But what up, Casey? What you got going on? Let's see. I think I'm at this one or this one. Yeah. I'll take a look on a project that I found on the marketplace. They have a save system, but I don't want to do it that way because don't have so many saves like you want to do. I'll just see to understand a little bit more of blueprints. Yeah, I mean, if you want to set up like just a simple save system, like if you want like to have just like a specific number of slots, that's pretty easy. But I'm trying to set it up so that you can have an infinite number of slots. So basically, every time you create a new character, it'll create a new slot, which I've got it doing that. It's creating an infinite number of saves. I've got that part working. I'm just having trouble getting it to like load in properly and display all the stuff. So, because basically the way I'm doing it, you have to kind of treat it similar to inventory. So we have to set up like an array of like save information, and based on what is in that array, set it to kind of like a slot list. Yeah, I try to reverse engineer cannibalize methods from other tutorials. I'm still on underwear. Yeah, that's kind of what I've been doing with the save system in this pack I have right here. If you look in here, I can kind of show you a little bit of what it's doing. Maybe I would do a save system with a max of 10 saves. Yeah, if I can't get it figured out, I'm gonna give it one more day of trying to figure it out. And if I don't get it figured out by then, we're just gonna do like a set number of save slots, because I know I can do that. That's easy. But it would be real nice to have the infinite number of saves. And it'd be cool because I'd be like the only guy on YouTube with that system. But we'll see how it goes. Elden Ring have a max number of saves, don't they? Not that I'm aware of. No, as far as I could tell, every time you create a new character, it creates a new save slot. At least that's the way it seems to me. I haven't really tried to like just create like 20 saves or anything like that. Hydrate? I shall. I appreciate. What's up, Lord Kenny? What up? What up? But yeah, I've been trying to reverse engineer this setup. I've got some things that are similar to it, some things that are different to it. Like this part, I have this part pretty similar, but there's some things that are different. Like the way this save system works in this system is it creates an infinite number of save slots, but it does it more like an RPG. So like the way Elden Ring does it is it'll create a save slot for that specific character, and then anytime you're playing on that character, it'll just save to that slot. Whereas this system, the way it works, it creates a new slot per save. So kind of like a standard RPG where you can like save scum and go back and stuff. So like the way this system works is anytime you save, it just creates a new slot, and that's a little bit easier, I guess. But this is still a pretty complicated save system. Hi, not much. How are you? I'm doing all right. We're talking about me banging my head against the damn wall with trying to figure out this save system. I've spent 11 hours between yesterday and today just trying to get it to work, and I'm getting close. I got everything saving properly. I just don't have it loading and displaying information properly, or like setting the array elements properly. Oh, so my friend deletes save to be more organized? Probably. I'm not sure. Not too sure. Alright, so I've been working on beams. I need some more beams. Just have the... No, okay. So since I'm not using world alignment on these, I do kind of need to just make new beams. I've hit another roadblock in my game engine because I can't see meshes rendering in the scene. Oh no. Oh no, another roadblock. Uh-oh. I'm sure you'll get it though. Sure you'll get it. Hold on, I'll be right back. Gotta eat. Hell yeah, enjoy your food, enjoy your food. Having this problem with some textures, like some textures not showing. I like the way these walls are looking now. Not showing where they are in a lower resolution. That could be texture streaming. I know texture streaming will cause some issues like that sometimes. Do you have the texture streaming warning normally when that happens? Throw my physics door in here. No, I think. Well, you could always just make sure. Sometimes it'll happen even if not. You can go into console commands, type r.streaming dot pool size, and I'll normally set it to like 3000. And yeah, you can give that a little test. Vakine, what's up, Vakine? What you got going on? Oh, no, I don't have the warning? Well, just try the command. Try the command and see what happens. Building looks nice. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, we making some progress. I made a bunch of beams. We got it to where we can... We got a good chunk of pieces now. Working on building system, then gonna make modular pieces? Hell yeah. So you about to be in the same damn boat as me. I still need a ton of pieces. I mean, we're kind of close to done with our basic shapes. Or our basic building pieces, and then I need to move on to like roofs and stairs and shit like that. Yes, but mine is easier, stylized as simple. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty easy. I mean, I'm not really going in and, you know, sculpting in crazy details or anything to it. So, I'm just making basic shapes. So it'll probably be pretty similar. Although some things will be, like, I did kind of add a little bit more vertices to the beams to make them a little more rounded rather than just flat. What about setting up a blueprint just to generate housing? Maybe. Are you talking about using PCG? Because if you're talking about using PCG, I'm in 5.2, so I can't do PCG. I'd like to move to 5.3, but my damn landscape auto material doesn't work in 5.3. It will break the entire project trying to put it in there. You do it with normal blueprints? Yeah, I've never done anything like that. I would have to see about setting something up like that. I could give it a little test, see how it goes. But I don't know the know-how of code. Yeah, I mean, I could do some testing, see what I could get out of it. I've never done it, but I could maybe figure it out. What the hell was I about to do? Oh yeah, I was gonna pull in my door. Give our door a test. Hell yeah. Kind of wanted to be the opposite way. Let's flip that. Where is mirror X? There we go. Hell yeah. So I got that stream cord thing set up that you told me about a while ago, back on. Someone else mentioned that yesterday in the Discord, and I was like, oh yeah, I was supposed to set that up. Cool. So I need some beams for these diagonal pieces. You should set it up as everyone for yours. Is that not what it did? I got a notification when I went live. Let me take a look. You can add everyone on Twitch. Add everyone on... It does add everyone on the Discord. Right? Did it not add everyone? What you would notice, but not us? I don't think it did add everyone. Did you get a notification? I got a notification. Nope. Yeah, I may need to look at some settings then. Yeah, I have to look at some settings. But yeah, the crappy part is that you only have a certain number of people you can add that this works on, but I did go ahead and add you to it since you mentioned it. So far it's just me and you, and there's like 23 other slots where I can add people into it. If anyone wants those slots. Oh, thank you. Oh yeah, no problem. Let's see. So let's grab some beams. Let me just duplicate this guy. Snap. Selection to cursor. Yeah, I think you said it as a part of your message when you live, and it will add everyone when you stream. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Just add that as part of the message. Yeah, I didn't add that. That's probably why. I thought it would automatically do it. Yeah, probably not a bad idea. Just add that as a part of the message. Yeah. Good call. I would have thought of that. I would have been looking for some setting to make it just do that. But make sure it's not everyone but yours, Bailey. Whoops. Oh, this is gonna be tough to get the angle right. RY negative 60 is close. Negative 70. RY negative 65 is close, but not quite. RY negative 64 looks to be just about right. Maybe 62. Think it's gonna be 62. Let's try 62. RY negative 62. Pretty close. I think it's coming a little too high. Might be 63. 63. Not quite. Maybe 62.5? 62.5? 62.5, yeah. It still seems like it's a little higher here. So it's gonna be 62 point something. Alright, negative 62.7 is too high. RY negative 62.3. RY negative 62. Oh, whoops. RY negative 62.9. Nope. Y negative 63. Y negative 64. Maybe it's 63 something. 64 looks really close. It might just be 64. Move it to the other side. Get the hell out of the way, wall. I'm trying to look at this. Oh, I needed that. That one can go away. That looks real close. I think that's it. I think that's it. We'll go with that. Looks close enough. Normal? Yeah. And that should... Let's just check the edge down here. Should be good. Cool. We'll go with that. Beam 9. It's our 9th beam. I think we're at like 60-something pieces now. Alright, I gotta tweak this music. It's just loud. Maybe a little better. Whoops. Beam 9. Geometry to face. Cool. Of course, box collision does that dumbass shit. We'll just do that. Ben! Hi, I've been watching your, last stream, part 8. Hold on, let me see. Your last stream, part 8, when you did the material stuff with, K. I learned so much. That guy needs to do videos? I agree. Yeah. Casey's channel would do amazing. But welcome in. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I set up that material that he set up in that video. I followed through, and that's the material I'm actually using in this now. If we go into the parent of this. Yeah, it's a freaking amazing material. Freaking great. Yeah, if he did videos, I think they'd do really well. Knows a lot of useful information. Oh, yeah. There you go. Yeah, he needs a YouTube. He gets to the point. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'd watch the hell out of those videos. If he just made a bunch of videos, I'd set up all my shit like whatever he does, because I know he knows his shit. Maybe it would be easier to deal with, because this doesn't work now. Maybe it would be easier to deal with to not even set it up diagonally. So, RY 64, or, right? Yeah, we'll just do RY 64 and we'll just bring it in and we will rotate it when we need it. So that way that the world stuff still works. Thanks, yeah, but then I'll need to buy editing software. No, you don't. I use DaVinci Resolve. It's completely free. And it's really good. I used to use Premiere Pro on Adobe, but since I've gone broke, I use DaVinci Resolve now. It's completely free and it works perfectly fine. Jesse, hey, how are you? How's it going? It's going good. We're making some new building pieces. What you got going on? Oh, good to know. Yeah, DaVinci Resolve is good. I also used to use Photoshop, and I use GIMP now, but I gotta say, I don't have as many kind words to say about GIMP. I hate GIMP, but DaVinci Resolve is really good for a free editing software. But yeah, as far as DaVinci Resolve goes, hell nah, I hate DaVinci Resolve. Casey, do it? I mean, yeah, if you wanted to. I'm sure a lot of people would enjoy the information. I know I'd watch the hell out of them. Okay, so maybe we don't want to do that. Trying to think of the best way to... Yeah, I guess it's not really that big of a deal. Oh, we got friggin' ads. The ads have already hit. Has it already been that long? I guess it has. Just trying to see if this is gonna look stupid or not. Not too bad, I guess. Can I link my armor? You really dig it? Sure. I'll take a look at your armor. Sure. Hey, that house you're building looks nice. So nice. Well, I've managed to load my game as launcher profile, which first step towards packaging to see everything works the way it is. Step 1, the save game file. Hells yeah. Hells yeah. How close are you to like being done with your game? Every little step is a step towards the end. Let's take a look at this guy. Is this gonna fit? Decent enough. Decent enough. And now, since it's angled this way, we can just throw a box. Oh, what the hell? Why are you doing that? Oh, it's got collision on it from before. Let me remove that collision, then add collision. That confused the hell out of me for a second. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Hell yeah. Now we got a good chunk of the pieces that we need. We could make damn near a full house if we had the, like, ceiling pieces and stuff. Do you see the link, or do you need it on Discord? Oh, did you post it on YouTube? Yeah, YouTube doesn't allow links. I didn't realize you were on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube will automatically just delete links. Yeah, you can send it in the Discord or in the Twitch chat, and either one of those will work. For some reason, the same save game file saves the progress of players. Didn't save or load, but other than everything else, works well. The game is still in progress, far from being complete, however. Hell yeah. Yeah, it's still not a bad idea to, you know, check how your packaged versions are coming out and stuff.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Oh, shit. Hi, it's Ben. Here, the armor. Thank you for following. Hey, I appreciate the follow. I appreciate the follow. Here, let's check out the, let's check out this armor. I don't think I need to save. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Looks like it's coming out good. How'd you get the, what'd you do for the, like, the scales on the, like this chest piece? Is that just the texture, or is that kind of like a brush setup that you did? It's ready for demo with gameplay and AI. Croc following you and hunting you while you run and trying to get upper hand. Hell yeah! So are you gonna like put a demo on Steam? Is that the plan? Alpha texture? Yep. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, yeah. Alpha textures are nice. Alpha textures are nice. Definitely get some good. I have trouble with getting it all even like that. How'd you manage to get it that even? In Substance? Oh, Substance. Yeah, it might be easier in Substance. Doing that shit in Blender is a little janky. Yeah, I need Substance Painter. Try Planner also. Hell yeah, it's looking good though. I dig it. I dig it. Yeah, I need to rebuild the outfit on my dude. So when I built this outfit, I didn't put the metahuman head on when I built the outfit, so the shoulders are definitely not in the right place. And like the chest in general. So I'm gonna rebuild this outfit. And I'll probably get something better out of that. But yeah. I have another outfit that did turn out better though, for my other AI dude. I actually put the head on when I was making his outfit, and it turned out a little more accurate. Yeah, this guy. Whenever he comes in. Yeah, here he is. Yeah, his outfit. Decent enough. Got these two also. Here, let's check it out. Let's take a look. Oh, hell yeah. I dig it. I dig it. Yeah, the alphas help a lot. I love the skills and stuff that you got. Hell yeah. Is that also an alpha on the little neck guard thing you have here? Or is that just texture? Well, not yet though. However, I might show case it to my channel. Hey, I'll send you the images of my game on Discord. Let me know what you think. Sure. Yeah, I'll check it out. Take a peek. That's just texture? Oh, nice. It's got a pretty decent little normal on it then. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Hell yeah. Yeah, I gotta make a ton of armor. Because we're building an equipment system in this game, so... we need to be able to switch out armors and stuff. I don't know how many I'll make, but... we shall see. We shall see. This game will probably be in development for a long-ass time. For a long-ass time. But we're making some progress. Mostly just working out modular pieces and stuff. I got my inventory somewhat started. I need to finish my inventory menu. Like, I have all of this set up, but I can't actually go to the inventory menu yet. But we are already stacking our inventory, so... if I pick up items, let me just find some items. Prints, items, pick up items. Let's throw my little sword out here. And we'll throw my shield out here. And we'll throw... does that have the... okay. Throw my consumable, my mana potion, health potion. Yeah, we can pick up items and stuff. And they stack to different inventories, so we have like a bunch of different inventories that this stuff goes to. Separated inventories. Hey, you're gonna use the day-night cycle system and weather system in your game? I am. Yeah, definitely. We're definitely gonna use that. I don't have it set up on this map. It's on my actual map. I'm just kind of using this map for testing my building pieces just very quickly. Hey, can you please do a tutorial on how to make inventory? That's the only thing I don't know how to make. We're already in the process of starting it. We've already started our inventory system. I haven't posted in 2 days because I'm trying to work out the save system. But yeah, we're already in the middle of setting up the inventory. We've got 2 videos on it so far. We've set up our enums and our structure. Yeah, I just finished my equipment system. Can switch out armors? Hell yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of work, right? Will you be using data assets in it? You mean data tables or the data asset things? Because we're definitely using data tables. Data assets. I don't know about data assets. But we'll definitely use data tables. The assets, I'm using them in my inventory at the moment. Yeah, I've only seen this used on different things, like, I've seen these used on, what you call it? Like, different things like footstep sounds and, like, other little plug-in type things. I actually don't know too much about data assets. But we're definitely using data tables. Yeah, these guys. Right here. I already got my data table in here. Where is it? Data table. This is the data table for our items. We only got 4 items so far. This is what I got so far. Here, let's see. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, you can just throw them bad boys on. Hell yeah. Yeah, it looks dope. Looks like you got it working good. Hell yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Equipment systems used to like kind of what'd you call it? They used to kind of make me nervous, but yeah, now they don't. I mean, it's basically the same thing as like just equipping a sword or something, but just some slight little changes. Changing out skeletal meshes and such. Alright, so we need some other beams. We need some small diagonal ones. Although, how do these do diagonally? Probably not quite long enough. Yeah. Yeah, I need some pieces that can go to the side like this. Yeah, it took me a while to get it all working. Yeah, it could definitely be a lot of work. Yeah, it's not too bad once you kind of do it a handful of times. So I think I'm actually going to... Let's create a mesh of this. So to use as a reference. And export it out. So, actor, we don't want to merge. Hydrate? I shall. What up, Lord Kenny? You back? Is that what it is, or do I need... I forget, I haven't done this in a minute. Or is it... Is it merge actors? It might just be merge actors. Let's just do that. And then... not replace the source. Yeah, I'm back. Welcome back. Welcome back. What is up? Merge actors. Then we'll go to models and we'll make a new folder in here called references. And we'll just save this guy in here. Beams. Oh, what was that? That was something. Arnasic, just subbed. I appreciate the sub. I appreciate the sub. Yeah, we're almost to 1,000 on YouTube. We're on our way to 1,000 subs. Thank you, man. Not much. Time to try and fix the problem with my engine. Yeah, time for more headache. I'm sure you'll get it. I'm sure you'll get it. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'll get there. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You doing a building system too? No, that's not really the plan for this. It's not really a survival game. It's more of like a fixed story RPG kind of game. So yeah, not really the plan. Single player? Yeah, single player. Yeah, single player. That is the plan. Floor beams reference. There we go. Cool. Cool. So now I can export these bad boys out and get what I need. Florian, have you already set up your Casey shader? Yeah, that's what this, like these wall pieces are using. As you can see, if you move them, the material just stays in place like this. And we could set up the different edgeware stuff that he set up. Yeah, we got that bad boy set up. I have indeed. Yeah, basically as soon as that stream ended, I immediately set it up. I spent the rest of the day setting the material up. Let me find the edgeware stuff right here. Yeah, we can change a lot of this stuff. Try to get closer. Indeed. Hell yeah. Yeah. Have you tried setting it up yet, Florian? It's definitely a good ass material. Definitely a good ass material. Oh, Florian reminds me of the Casey shader? Yeah, yeah. Fuck, I have to look back on that stream. Yeah, it took a while too. Like, it took me probably 3 or 4 hours to set the material up. And I think he did it in about an hour or an hour and a half. But yeah, it took me a lot longer. Damn, yeah, it was. I had to go back and watch a lot of stuff. Sadly, the video quality isn't like super high quality, so some of the stuff is pixelated. So I would have to come back and, you know, scroll back and try to see what the hell he was doing in some parts. Cool. Not yet, but I plan to. I've downloaded the video and even cropped it a little bit to see it a little bit better. Still a little low quality, but I think it shouldn't be an issue. Yeah, you could still kind of tell what he's doing. It's still manageable. I managed to get through it, but yeah, sadly some of it is a little pixelated. But it's not too bad. It's doable. I'm gonna be setting up a clothing material suit. Time to get the underwear done. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So you use like a different like a clothing master, different from like your world stuff that you do. My screen don't help me too because the size of some things is too small. Really? Like your screen is just like that? Hell yeah. Cool. So what else do we need? I use a TV, 32 POL, 1440p. Hell yeah. Yeah, I just use my computer monitor. It's a 4K monitor, but I just leave it in 1080. But it is probably gonna be a little cleaner to see that kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna use a master for all clothing. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, right now I think my clothes are still just using the I haven't really done anything with my clothes. They're all still just using the Mega Scan materials. Yeah, like on this guy. I need to do some clothing work. I think once I finish some of my modular pieces, I might go back and rebuild this outfit and stuff. 32 inches, the size of the TV. That's not too bad. It's not too bad. I forgot that I can't use the Portuguese terms. Yeah, I don't know what Portuguese words are. No idea what that stuff is. Oh yeah, we need those side pieces. So let me find our models, references. Let's go ahead and export this guy out. I always forget that. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Nice, yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, we're not exporting to this file. I don't know why it likes to go to that file. Let's export here. And then... And we'll go to here. And we will make a new folder. Called references. And we will export there. Farming runes while watching the stream. I can't beat Godfrey first Elden Lord. Ah, you'll get him. You'll get him. Yeah, every time I've played Elden Ring, like, I feel like I spend more time farming runes than damn fighting and playing the actual game. There's so much just need for more runes. And then even if you got like a shit ton of levels, by the end of the game, the enemies are just like... They hit so damn hard that your level barely even matters. I can't beat the Margate yet. I'm a weak samurai. Time to get you some more runes. Get them levels up. Go find you some of them, what are they called? The little stone things that you use to upgrade your weapon and stuff. To import... references, beams, we'll import this guy. I said only the stones. Hell yeah. The model matrix, camera projection, and view matrix all looks normal. Yet I'm still here stuck wondering why I can't see the meshes rendering. Oh, you still having the mesh problem? Maybe, just maybe, something might be messed up. Maybe. I'm not sure. It might be, though. Selection of cursor. Thinking in the initial DirectX 11 setup, most probably. Yeah, maybe. You know, the thing that kind of sucks about, like, what makes me nervous about moving to C++ is, like, when something's broken and, like, my blueprints, you can just literally watch the line of code if you just press play and go to the debug object menu thing up here, and I can watch the execution flow. You can't do that in C++, or at least not that I'm aware of. Like, there's nothing like that with C++, right? Do you unwrap these models? I do indeed. Yeah, you can see they all have been unwrapped. We've got the seams and such on them. Yeah, you gotta keep an eye on your UVs, especially when making modular pieces like this. You don't want the material to, the texture to be all janky and not line up. I'd say adding a breakpoint and stepping through your code is very similar. Oh, nice, nice. Okay, so there is something kind of like that in there. Okay. Nice. Yeah, because, like, I use the hell out of this thing. When something is just not going right, I always pull this thing up. Always. You can run a debugger in C++, but it's a little bit complicated in my opinion. I guess I'll find out at some point. Whenever I move to good old C++. Eventually. Oh, we got friggin' ads. Grab that damn thing. There's some debugger who could do the same thing as the blueprint simulate? Really? Wonder how that works. Like, it'll kind of show you where it's breaking at. At 45. Should be pretty close. Whoops. RY 5. That should be pretty good. Yeah, like that. Hell yeah. You run your code, and when you have a problem, he pauses the simulation. It shows you to the line with the error? Really? But what if it's not an error? Like, what if it's just like... Like, yeah, what if it just doesn't throw an error? Because sometimes it doesn't throw an error. Or at least in blueprints, right? Sometimes you just have to look at the flow to see what is going wrong. I use this when I try to go to programming college for the first time. Now that I'm going back to college, I'm gonna use it again. And in Visual Studio this time. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I need to get into it. Hey, why does this mesh look so corrupt with the shading? Which one? You talking about this white one? This guy? There is a reason. Snap, selection to cursor. There we go. Cool. He says the white mesh. Yeah, the white one, the reason that looks like that is because I exported it from Unreal Engine just to get a reference. So it's not really anything that I'm worried about. It's just a reference thing so I can make this guy the proper size. So I'm not really worried about the materials and stuff on it. Yes, that's when something looks wrong. Yeah, it's just a reference mesh. Yeah. So, like, I came here and I made a folder called references where I'm just exporting things out. The double faces. Yeah, I'm not really sure why I made the double faces. But it did. Because I'm pretty sure it's not like that in Unreal Engine. Yeah, they aren't even put together in Unreal Engine, but yeah. But yeah, it's just a reference thing. Not really something I'm using. Maybe when you exported Blitter, it exported the collision too. Yeah, it might have.
For fuck's sake.
Save? I shall. Let's do a save. Yeah, it could have exported the collision, maybe. Could be something like that. I'm not sure. But hell yeah, we're saved up. Alright, let's export this guy out. Might actually... Yeah, we'll just export it like that. It'll be alright. Modular beam 10. And maybe the several LODs on top of each other. Yeah, it could be that as well. Although it is nanite. But maybe it could be something like that. I know when you export some other things, it'll do that as well. Cool. So we got another beam. Let's just find it. Right here. Cool. This is diagonal. I have to use convex. Or I could use box collision and just... Whoops. Whoops. Right. Just use box and then... just shape it out properly. Be cheaper than using convex. Yeah, like that. Good enough for me. Should we turn on nanite? We did. Hydrate! I shall. I appreciate the hydrate. Good old water. Good old water. Alright, so let's see that it fits in pretty good. Let me just copy the location of this guy. Paste that.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Alright, so we got that guy. Right. Let's change the rotation to 2.8. It's good enough to me. Water? Good old water. Good old water. Hell yeah. So now we got these beams. We could throw these bad boys in and make it look even more cool. Crazy how much the beams just add to this kind of a look. Oh, that one, we need a different beam for that. That one is longer than the other pieces. But they fit in this. So I need another reference for the windows. Then we already got the reference for this, but yeah. We need another beam for that one. Digital, yeah, what's up, Digital? I would recommend pulling in some of those wood beams further in than the ones making the frames because the intersections won't clip through. As obviously when up close. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that real quick. What up, Digital? What you got going on? Yeah. Just kind of boop. Like that. Yeah, adds depth to it too. Makes it look nicer. Makes it look nicer. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Cool. I'm good. We got to bring the baby home last night, and he has been fussy ever since. So Icky and I are tired AF right now. Yeah, sadly that's how it is. That's just kind of like the first little while with a baby. I think that's pretty standard. I know my brother had his first baby last year, and I know he was like, man, I don't know if I could have another one. You get no sleep. But yeah, but hell yeah, that's good. You finally got him, got the baby home. Hell yeah. Uh, the wood grain direction could be improved. Usually following the longer side of the pieces makes it look more natural. Yeah, you talking about just rotating it? Yeah. Let's see. We didn't set up any kind of rotation on the material, but I could look at the mega scans and see how they do it. And see if we can find a way to set up rotation on it. Let's take a look. Maybe not brass. Let's go to this one. Either rotate UVs in Blender or make it possible to do within the shader in UE5. Yeah, we're gonna check out seeing a way of doing it in UE5 first, because I done made a bunch of beams. It would be much easier to just do in the material. So they have in their material function, they have a rotation angle thing they use here. Where are they plugging this into? They're plugging it into this other material function, tangent normal rotation. Which is... Let's see if we can figure it out. Color, metallic, specular, roughness, normals. It's got to be something in here, right? This custom rotator. We could maybe just use the custom rotator that they're using. Input tangent normal rotation angle. Let's copy this. Let's copy this guy. And where are they plugging this into? To the normal? What is being appended right here? Trying to figure out if I need this. I added some other shit to this material, and now it's confusing me. Let's just copy this. And let's see if we can add this to our master. See, so the normal... Needs UVs. Does the wood currently use the world align setting on the actual UVs? No, I didn't use world align on these because, like, here, I'll just show you what it does. If I throw it on, like, these ones right there, like, they all, like, you see how they all just go, like, one angle. They'll all just stick to one angle. Looks nice for these ones, but for like some of these side ones that are diagonal, not so great. So let's see. Let's go back. Maybe... Let's see. Could I just use... No, I'll probably get an error if I do that. You should add the Walter White moan to the sound? What's the Walter White moan? I don't know if I know that one. Let me look in this. UVs, tiling offset. Okay, so on that, where'd he go? So looks like we'd need that as well. Let me grab this guy. I think we might need this entire thing. This guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. This guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy. Let's copy that. And we'll just delete this one. And, ooh, actually, I don't know how this is gonna work. Let's see. It's this thing that's throwing me off. You sent a link? Let's check it out. This?
Holy mother of God!
Hell yeah. Yeah, that's from one of those YouTube videos. I forget what it was. Oh, that was from the blooper. That's right, that's right. Yeah, I know I've heard that somewhere. Here, let me log in. I'll just add it. And
Holy mother of God!
we will add. Did it add? I pressed the plus button, but nothing happened. It sounds really funny. Hell yeah. Good old Bryan Cranston. Why did it not... Oh, I have to change that setting? Oh, do I have it? Do a refresh. I might have it now. Let me just check. I think it worked. I think it worked. Let me make sure I didn't add it twice, though. And now we have it. Hell yeah. Oh, it's only one channel point? Nah, we gotta boost that bad boy. Nah, it's too cheap. Too cheap. We boosted that bad boy to 500. Alright, so let's see if we can figure out this rotation thing. I'm pretty sure if I pull in that other material function, I'll get an error, but... Let's see. It would be easier if I could just use that other material function. Where's it at? This guy? If I could just copy this guy and just use this little piece right here. But then you would need to do this thing. I'll be using that one a lot. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So let's go back. So I think the thing that's throwing me off, I don't think I need... I don't think I would need this thing. Right? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I will definitely screw this up. Because I don't know if you can use these in something that's not a material function. I think these are something else in regular master materials, right? These are just a material function thing, I'm pretty sure. So I don't think I could just copy those into a material. But maybe... Let me think. Let me think. Function input scalar, that would just be a scalar parameter, right? And then this would be a... I'm not sure what that would be. Tangent normal? Would that just be the normal of something? Let me copy this, and this, and this, and this. Actually... Okay, this is controlling the... What is this appending to? What is that plugging into? Normal. This is just controlling the normal and the normal strength. And this is controlling the rotator. But the UV is coming from the normal. Let me look. So I could... I don't think I understand vector 3s very much. This is solved within UE5, the shader. It means we would need, it would mean that we need different material instances for planks, plank directions, right? Sounds like not a good solution performance-wise, maybe? Yeah, you would need different, material instances for different, for the different rotations. For sure. Yeah, it might be better to just rotate the UV in Blender. You might be right. But I have all these planks. Well, I would only need to rotate the ones that are sideways. So that's not that big of a deal. So let's do that. Yeah, we can get that done real quick. It's just changing a few values. Uh, 90? That should fix it. Now I just gotta remember what each one is named as well. Let me just close all of this down. So... just take a look. That should be better for that one at least. Export FBX. This one should be 10 because this is the last one I did. So let's just bring that one in. 10. Okay, so we can see what they're named right here, actually. That'll help. So that one. It's a little better. So let's grab... We need to go back to 8. So, or actually... So that would be... Which one is 8? What is this guy? I don't think I'm using this guy on anything, actually. Oh wait, this one's actually fine. Never mind, that one's fine. This one looks fine on top. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay, I might actually need to look back at this one. Yeah, it's doing the side. Okay, so I need to control the UVs on different sides. Make sure I'll go in one direction. I assume the upwards right now. You still have a mix on one flank, I think. Yep, that's what I just noticed. That's exactly what I just noticed. The other side is the wrong way now. Let's go back. Which side is that? Is this one? No, it's the other one. I think I can just grab all of that. Wait. Let me turn that off. Okay. RX 90. And that should be good now. Yep. Cool. So, let's re-grab that one. So yeah, this side should be good now, and this side, cool. But let's take a look at that. This one, actually, might as well take a look at all of them. Yeah, that one is a no-go. So I need to redo like all the beams, probably. We got an ad. I'm gonna go ahead and take a pee break. I will be right back. All right, I'm back. You can just press L on UV island and then press it 90 to rotate. Does that just select that UV? Let's see. Oh, it does. Yeah, that's easier. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. Man, where the heck is the face weighted normal modifier in Blender? Spent the last 40 minutes looking for it. I'm not familiar with that modifier really. I'd imagine if it's a modifier, it would be in here. Weighted normal. Maybe that. I still use Blender 3.6 and it's called weighted normal and is the 5th from the top left. But in Blender 4, they reorganized the modifier section, I heard. Oh, maybe... Yeah, I think I'm still in 3.6 as well, actually. I still haven't upgraded. But there's weighted normal right here. Yeah. Lord Kenny, welcome back. Hey, I appreciate it. I usually do it within hard ops. If you have this plugin, press Q and Alt plus left mouse adds this modifier. Oh, nice. Nice. What the hell does weighted normal do? I'm unfamiliar with this. Add a procedural operation effect to the active object weighted normal. Yeah, I have no idea what this does. No wonder I can't see the mesh. Goddamn camera is facing the opposite direction. Whoops. Yeah, I don't have that. Only normal edit? Maybe it's a normal edit. Now. Let's see. Let's give it a Google. Are you in Blender 4? Normal, Blender 4. Weighted normal modifier. Modifier changes the custom normal. I don't see anything about it on Blender 4. Google is so bad sometimes. It's showing me shit from like 3 years ago. Damn. Only normal edit. It fixes faceted normals to make the object surface smooth. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, I've never used it. Is this something I should use on just like standard objects like this? See what it does. Doesn't seem to do anything on this. Corner angle. Yeah, I can't tell that it's doing anything on this thing. Hashem, is Unreal Engine 5 beginner friendly? I mean, there's probably easier engines, but I mean, I started learning Unreal Engine 5 as a completely new dev. I started my learning in Unreal Engine 5, so it can be done for sure. I forgot my screen cap was off. What Blender version do you have, Casey? Should be in it. Yeah, I'd imagine they wouldn't get rid of it. Right? Man, I really wish 3ds Max didn't mess up the skeleton. This is slowing me way down. Yeah. I know the feeling. Like when it comes to the music stuff, I mainly use Logic Pro X, and then like since I've switched to just using like PC, Logic Pro X is only a Mac software, and ever since I switched to PC, man, I can like barely write music because of the software. I can't use my damn software, the one I'm used to. So yeah, switching up softwares are hard, especially if you're very used to another one. Yes, carry in most cases. It's a very good idea to always use it. Yeah, I just checked it out on this. It didn't really seem to do anything to this beam. I've got another little test here. Yeah, I can't tell that it's doing anything. Do I have to set the... vertex group? That seems like a skeletal mesh thing. I posted in the Discord. I'll take a peek. It averages the normals and can solve shading issues for you automatically. Interesting. Yeah, I'll start messing around with it. But as far as I can tell, it ain't doing nothing to my beam. Interesting. Sick. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, I say give it a go. I say give it a go. You could definitely learn in it. Posted in the Discord. Here, let's take a peek. Let me pull that up. Looks like 2.79. Hell yeah. You posted it here? Oh, hell yeah. I finally can see the cube mesh in my game engine after ages of debugging the issue. The camera was facing the opposite direction of the cube. So you were just seeing a black screen and was just like, where the hell is that damn thing? Hell yeah, looks dope. Looks dope. Hell yeah. Yo, what are your PC specs? They're not great. I have for GPU, I have a GTX 1660 Super, and I have 32 gigs of RAM. I forget what the hell my CPU is, but it's a BMH47 something. I don't know. It's something like that. It's not great. Could be better, that's for sure. So that's my problem? Maybe. I don't know. Oh, you're in an older version. 2.79. You have very simple models. There's no shading issues. But whenever you have issues, it can help. Yeah, I'll take a peek at that on some of my more... like when I mess with characters. I'd imagine that could maybe come in handy on characters. Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. Well, congrats. Congrats. You got it done. 2.79 is way too old. Blender has it since version 3. Oh, it wasn't a thing back then? 2.79, we had the third-party stuff for that. It's not integrated by Blender? Oh! So it is literally just a version issue. Nice. Yeah, the cube isn't wide though, like it's supposed to be. That would be a lighting intensity issue, most likely. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, you'll get it. You'll get it, I'm sure. Oh damn, I was wondering how people live stream UE5 and I'm on a 4080 Ti. And I can't? Like what happens when you try to stream UE5? Because I stream UE5 just fine. My PC specs are not great. I can hop in and run around and it's fine. So let's see. So I think this one's done. Did we re-import it? I forget. Let's take a look. I'm just gonna re-export it and import it just in case, because I forget. Be back in a second. Gotcha, gotcha. Beam 10. Okay. That one should be good now. So now let's check our... Let's just do all our beams. Check the UVs on all of them. So might as well straight up just delete all of them in here. Let me... delete all of these. And we know we got that one done. So let's just delete the rest of these. And make sure they're good. UV. So that needs to be rotated. The sides are fine though. So which one is it? Yeah, it's this. There we go. That should be good. We'll just call this one beam 1 now. Beam 1. Okay. All right, so let's see. So that one should be good. Yep. Just move back the ones I've got done. That way I know which ones are done and which ones aren't. Let me grab this guy. But something is off with the unwrapping. Make sure before unwrapping to always apply scale. This can be done with Control A. Yeah, I've been doing that. Yeah, all the scale is applied on all of them. I've been doing that. Yeah, you talking about the little edges? Yeah, I'm not really sure how to fix the edge thing. Not really sure how to fix that. updated to 4.0.2. Now it's giving me the skeleton hierarchy issue in Blender. I just can't wait. What? What? You had a bevel? Maybe? No, I have a multi-res on it though. Could it be that? It doesn't do it without the multi-res. Yeah, it's probably the multi-res. I don't know how I would get rid of it with the multi-res though. Damn, so it's giving you problems in 4.0.2? Just use 3.6. Just use 3.6. Because it works fine in 3.6. Sorry to bring it all up. Lots of double work, maybe? Ah, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Not a big deal. But yeah, I'm guessing it's the multi-res that's causing it, but... Oh, whoops. I mean, not do that, but... Try to adjust the UV tiling in the UV editor. I don't... Yeah, that just scales it into where it is already. It doesn't change the edges of it at all. See what it looks like if we apply the multi-res. Oh, that would be why. So when the multi-res is applied, the UV... I can kind of see why now. Because that's where the damn thing is being unwrapped at. Okay. Alright, well let's just start over then. Maybe I should just apply the multi-res and fix the UV unwrapping. We'll go back to this guy. Selection of cursor. Let's go to edge, clear seam, and you just unwrap it at that point. Mark seam. This top part's gonna be a bitch and a half, though. You go ahead and do the other side. About right there. Oh wait a minute, I don't need both sides, right? Just that one. Let me actually go from here to... here. Right. One more for left. I should do the other side too? You think? Let's see. Let's follow this line. It's good, it's good. Think it's fine like this. Let's take a... Now it's rotated though, so let's fix the rotation. Wrong side. Right, yeah, I just need to do this side. Alright. You do something like a cube UV, you know? Oh, yeah. Will that do... You think that'll fix the other issue I was having? Cube projection? Oh, yeah, that might be a faster solution, actually. Put in a rectangle? Does that fix the edge issue? It looks like it does. What if I do that? Let's go ahead and export this one, and then I want to test it out on the other ones before I apply the modifier. Yeah, we'll give that a shot on the other ones before I apply the modifier. Because maybe I don't even need to apply the modifier first. Cool. Let's pull that guy back. Pull this guy in. Cube projection. Ah, it's doing it on this one. Lame. Lame. Do I still have to... Does cube projection go based on what you have marked as seam? Ton of modulars, damn? Hell yeah. Hydrate? I shall. Yeah, we got a bunch of pieces. We got a bunch of pieces. Whole bunch of pieces.
This is a reminder to save your work now, for fuck's sake.
Save? I shall. Let's do a save. Looks like we're saved up there. Do a save here. Hell yeah. Hydrate first, save too. Hell yeah, I appreciate it. So let's see. Okay, looks like we already cleared the seam. Let's see what happens if we cube project. Ah. What are the edges in the middle? Which ones? Oh, you talking about down here? It's because I just shrunk it down from another piece. I did this with the damn proportional editing on, so it stretched it. They're necessary? Not really. Only really the edge pieces are necessary. Like, I could probably dissolve these edges. Right. Let's see if it looks the same. If I dissolve all these ones in the middle. Yeah. Right. Yeah, it looks the same before and after. But I do need the ones at the end right here. We got friggin' ads. Dissolve edge. But I do need the ones in the middle right here to get the curve that I want. Okay. Looks like I am gonna have to apply modifier, maybe? What if I apply modifier and then do cube projection? Oh, okay, okay. So applying it and then doing cube projection seems to fix the issue. So just apply the modifier first. Cool. Modular beam 10. There we go. Grab that guy in. Oh, I didn't check the rotation on it though. Looks like the rotation is okay on that one though. So that works out. Can you once more apply the scale? The island proportions each other do not make sense to me. Small part in 3D Geo should be way smaller in UV, but seems on every 90-degree angle. Multi-res does not create good Geo for such mesh. Better bevel. Apply scale. Oh, the scale isn't applied on this one actually. Let's apply all transforms. Let me check that cube projection again. I think cube projection did fine. But let's check the rotation. Oh wow. That's gonna be... That's gonna be a no-go. So let's see. RX 40. Oh, nope. Let's turn that off. To that one. Nope. RX 45. Nope. Damn, of course it's gonna be a bitch. I need it to be more like that. And the other side as well. Right. What is this one? It's that side. It didn't grab all the vertices to it. There you go. Hydrate? I shall. I'm back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I think it looks decent with multi-res, but let's try pulling in one of these other other ones. Let's just duplicate one of these and try a bevel. So let's see. Let's turn off multi-res. And a bevel. It's not bad, but it's definitely cleaner edges with the multi-res, but obviously way more geometry. Which we can get rid of some of this. Vakine, welcome in. What's up, Vakine? What up, what up? Thank you, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So let's dissolve that. Oh, did that break? Okay, so the edges didn't do too great up here. Everything else did good, though. I really like how you're doing the modular stuff here. Sort of like roads, build a straight road, corner road, a cross road. Yeah, it's kind of just like making puzzle pieces. You just make all the pieces that you can just put together. See, maybe we do want to unwrap this one properly. I think the top and the bottom will be okay if it breaks, because it will not appear in the game, right? Not really. Like, you won't ever really see it. Not really, because these pieces are just going to be connected to other beams for the most part. Then you can make a city of roads or a row of buildings. Yeah, that's the plan. That's why we're making all these pieces. We're gonna build a big old city, boy. A big old city. Just unwrap it, see how it looks. Unwrap. Of course, it all rotated again, but how are the edges looking? A little better. Now let's just scale that back. It's the front part I need. Is that this one? No. It's that one. right? Yeah. Should be decent enough. Decent enough. Looks pretty good? Yeah. Oh god, I didn't mean to do that. I opened a new damn window thing here. Alright. This one's beam 10. There we go. Cool. Does it have collision on it? Let me check that. Okay, yeah, it kept the collision from before. Works for me. Yeah, it definitely cleans it up a bit from how it was looking. It's worth the rework. It's worth the rework. Cool. So now we just got to do the other ones. We're working with Nanite. We can import a ton of vertices. Nanite will take care of them for us. We have to make less vertices. I mean, for the most part, yeah, Nanite kind of deals with the high poly stuff pretty well. A lot better than not using it, because, like, let me just show you the difference right now. All this stuff is using Nanite. Let me just turn Nanite off on my pole here. So with Nanite, I'm getting like 90 frames. Turn Nanite off. It's still about the same, I guess. At least for that thing right there. But yeah, more complicated things, it would definitely go down. Like, let me pull in my floor piece, and that'll be a better example of this one right here. This one's using Nanite right now, and it still brought me down to like 85-ish, but and then turn Nanite off on that one. Max FPS drop a little. With Nanite off, yeah, a little bit. But this one, it dropped at least like 3 more frames. Yeah. Also, something to consider is like what kind of collisions you're using on things, because convex is going to be more expensive than just using like a box simplified collision. Yeah, Nanite is a lifesaver. Yeah, Nanite helps. Nanite helps for sure. Yeah, you also definitely think about what kind of collision you're using too, because if you don't need to use convex collision, it's better not to. Better to just use like a box collision or something and then just shape it out Like if you look at my wall right here, let me just add a box collision so you can kind of see what I did. So I just brought in 3 box collisions and then shaped them out around where I needed, rather than auto convex to get the shape. So you see, I got a box collision right here, I got a box collision right here, and I got a box collision over here. I'll use custom collision I make on Blender. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That works. Did the music stop? I think it did. It did. Alright, well, I'm probably gonna go ahead and call it here anyways. Take a break. Let's take a break for a little bit. Then I may be back on later. Let's look on Twitch real quick. Okay, yeah. Hell yeah. I built the sample forest path scene with a nanite and still managed to crash the whole thing? What? A sample path with nanite and still managed to crash the whole thing? Were you using splines? Because I don't think nanite runs on splines yet. Eat break? Yeah, I'm gonna take an eat break and be back. Catch you later then, man. Hey, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I just use 0 collision and just fall through the world. That works too. That works too. That works as well. But alright. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here. I'll be back on in a few hours. I'm just gonna eat, chill out, and then we'll get back to some more work. I'll probably go ahead and try to knock these UVs out in between while I'm on break too. So, I appreciate everyone for hanging out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, homies. Peace out. Oh wait, let's see what digital said. Nope, just use the flat scene with minimal adjustment to the environment. Use the Quixel assets. Weird. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure why that would have happened. But alright.